2017 Mercedes E300. It has the AMG styling package. It is the polar white for the exterior. Cosmetic is in wonderful shape. You have blind spot monitoring system. You have a power trunk feature. The vehicle is all-wheel drive, so it is a 4MATIC. Interior is beige leather. Heated seats, memory seats. $85,790 miles. Navigation. Sunroof.